Hi, I'm Enzo DiMichele. I'm the Chief Sales Strategist with Neural Impact. Thanks for taking a couple of minutes to watch this video. Over the last few months, most of us have been asked the question, how are you doing in these unprecedented times? Well, while it's true that current events are very real and they present some fairly unique things that we have to deal with, these really are not unprecedented times. Here's why. In recorded history, there have been at least 24 documented pandemics. This doesn't include significant recessions or events like the Great Depression. Although a recession or a depression isn't exactly the same as a pandemic, the effects on business, and specifically sales and sales management, are very similar. General health of the population is impacted. Mortality rates go up. As an example, at least one major study out of Russia estimated that the Great Depression caused 7 million deaths. And buyer behaviors and the ability to do business change. I work with sales leaders in small, medium, and large technology companies and resellers to help them drive more predictable and more consistent results. One topic those sales leaders commonly ask about is how to enable sales and sales management in today's business climate. The answer is actually pretty straightforward. The first thing is to remember that sales and sales management are always under pressure. Things change, new challenges arise all the time. Economic, technological, competitive, regulatory. There is always a new reason why sales are difficult. Current events are just the next thing. So, first, don't panic and remain accountable for your results. The next is to conduct a rapid and ongoing assessment of your sales and sales management skills and tools. Along with that is look at your buyers. How have their motivations changed, and how have their behaviors changed, if in fact they have changed? With the resulting information, adjust or create the tools, processes, and training to enable your team to adapt. So as a final thought, when assessing your team's talents and skills, focus on the 4 core competency areas that are essential to successful sales and sales management. So those are functional skills, relevant product knowledge. In this category, it's usually more important to focus on the intended business outcomes of the product rather than the features and the technology. The third is personal skills, communication, organizational skills, things like that. And then the fourth is domain knowledge or situational fluency. If you'd like to learn more about enabling your sales and sales management teams in these not so unprecedented times, please feel free to reach out. I'd enjoy connecting with you. Have a great day.